In uncertain times, being prepared means more than just having supplies. It's about understanding and managing essential resources to ensure survival. Today, we'll explore practical strategies to help you stay resilient during emergencies. First, cash is king in a crisis. When electronic payments fail, small denominations of cash can secure essentials. Store cash in multiple locations for easy access. Next, stockpile essential supplies. Focus on non-perishable food, clean drinking water, medical kits, and alternative energy sources like solar chargers or generators. These items ensure basic needs are met even during disruptions. Bartering is another vital skill. Gather items like canned food, hygiene products, and tools. Even small luxuries like chocolate or cigarettes can become valuable trade goods. Finally, develop survival skills. Learn first aid, grow your own food, and know how to purify water. Skills like shelter building and self-defense are critical for staying safe and secure. To recap, keep cash ready, stockpile supplies, barter strategically, and master essential skills. Start preparing today because when an emergency hits, being ready makes all the difference. Stay prepared, stay safe, and stay strong.